Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I want to show you my new nails. I always wanted to try old English letters on my nails with saying Barbie. B-A-R-B-I-E. Barbies on my thumbs. These are stickers, but these letters I hand painted. Today I want to show you how I did these nails done by myself. Literally, there's no easy way to paint these. You just gotta practice. But I still wanted to show you how I did this because I really love these. I did Barbie instead of my name Azusa because I love Barbie. Hope you enjoy watching this. So today I want to show you how I write Barbie with old English letters. I already painted base color Barbie pink with gel. You know, I love these huge stones, so I still keep these huge stones, one for each hand. And I already put Barbie stickers on my thumb. When I show people will see this way, so I will put B-A-R-B-I-E. Literally, B is one of the hardest one, but I have to paint two of them. I'm gonna paint with this tiny gel brush and then use white color gel. B. Oh my god, this is so hard. Now I draw I. M-E. E. Yay! Looks pretty good. Now I work on my right hand. B. Next, I do A. A. B-A-R. Ta-da! Look, B-A-R-B-I-E. Barbie! I love my new nails. Aren't these awesome? And these are hand painted, so they're even more special to me. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye!